Hi everybody, Mike Joly here. How are we doing? I got a question for everybody. Why do you think AI won't replace all humans? Okay, because right now AI is doing some amazing things, and it, it makes you think of Terminator when you think about what could eventually happen going forward. So, a question for everybody: AI. What do you think about that? How would that cause you problems? Personally, I like AI for to help me with videos and things of that nature. But to do everything else, no, I like the personal touch. Do you rather speak to somebody who's a person or a machine? Because a machine, you'll get the reaction that's pre-programmed into it. You're not going to get a real engagement with a person. I take care of everything easily. Okay? The beauty of AI is it can analyze data. It can analyze pretty well anything that you want, tasks. It can make things happen. It'll create things that you're not expecting. But bottom line, it won't answer what you need answered. Okay. So going with that, you got to look at the emotion that's going to be behind all of this. I personally would rather speak to a person. I hate getting automated when I make a phone call to get something understood or dealt with. Press 3, press 4, press 6, press 8, and then sorry, goodbye now. Have a great day. What is that? That's crazy. I can't work with stuff like that, but that's me personally. So again, you know, looking at a system, you got to look at what you can do. All systems will eventually be automated in some one form or another, but is that what you're looking for? So for me, the way I'm looking at it is if you don't want to use AI for everything, which I do not, I would rather have the personal touch and speak to you directly. You got to look at it that way. So contact me and I will help you and find what's ailing you. Like the pain points that you have are easily looked at, but not necessarily easily fixed. So we're going to look at what we can do. So again, subscribe to my channel, look at what you need, and let's see if we can help each other. I'll do everything I can to help you. You have a great day. Bye.